Hello friends and welcome back with another video. So this video is helpful for iPhone users who are using 6 Plus or iPhone 6 or iPhone 5. Sometimes the lowest version of iPhone. Let me show you. And in this video I'm going to show you that how to install latest versions of apps on your iPhone without any kind of jailbreak and everything. So let me tell you what is the iOS version of my iPhone, which is 12.6, and my iPhone is iPhone 6 Plus. And now if I go to the Play Store, App Store, actually I'm an Android user, and when I search for Netflix, okay, go on. Okay, let's wait. And now if we click on Netflix here, and you can see here it's showing that require iOS 15.0, but we have 12.3 point blah blah. And now if we click on get, and if we add our touch ID here, it will show us a error of the lowest version of iOS. Okay, the application require iOS 15.0 or later. So I'm going to show you that how you can install the latest apps on this iPhone 6 or 6 Plus or lowest version like 4S, 5S and blah blah. Okay, so let's go to my laptop screen and I'm going to guide you that how you can do it. Okay. Okay, so here is our desktop. Just go to browserstack.com. It's a website for live browsing your any device. And now we are going to apply for a free trial here, which is absolutely free for you. Click on free trial and then just sign up with your Google account. It's pretty simple for you. Click on sign up and select your email. Okay, so here is the click on I agree and continue. Now you have some additional questions like I'm using it for myself and blah blah. Okay, so here is your pretty good dashboard and just close it, and now you have a lot of devices to use. Click on iOS and now you have a lot of devices to work on it, and I am going to just use these two rows to use any of the device, and you have only 1 minute to assess what you want. After 1 minute it will close your device, and now I'm going to select any one from here like iPhone 12 mini. Just click on Chrome, and now it will take some time to make your device ready for run. Okay, so you have only 1 minute. Okay, so just right here the app we want to install. Okay, let's click on it, and now I want Netflix app. Press enter and now click on install here. Do everything fast. Okay, so click on get, and now I'm going to add my Apple ID here, the same I'm using on my iPhone. And now it's time for a password. The password will not show up due to privacy. That's why. Okay, so it's going to ask me for a two-step authentication code. Just I'm going to allow on my iPhone, and now the code is 807305, and that's it. Okay, click on install. Okay, always require. Okay, so as you can see, the app is installing on my fake iPhone because I added my iCloud ID here. No worries, it's safe. Now click on open, and as you can see, the Netflix is installed here. Don't allow. Okay, so we are going back to our iPhone now. Okay, so here is our iPhone, and we are just back from browser stack to our iPhone. Now what we need to do is go to your app store, and now we have a lot of apps here. I'm going to click on the profile, and here just go to purchased apps, and now you can see the Netflix is ready here. Just click on it, and it's showing that you can download from here. As you can see, it require iOS 15 or later, but just click on the cloud here. Okay, and as you can see, it's showing that download an older version of this app, the current iOS 5 15.0 or later, but you can download the last compatible version. What we need is to click on download. Okay, so as you can see, it's downloading. Require iOS 15, but it's working. The trick is too good, so must follow these steps to install the latest app on your older version iPhones. I was watching the YouTube videos how I can do it, but not a single video interact me how I can do this. So I just want to share this tricky method to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, just subscribe to my channel, and if you have any difficulties, just comment us below. Okay, so as you can see, it's installed. Now if I click on open, and it's opened 100% perfectly, and let's click on allow, and now click on sign in, and we need to add the logins here, which was not the method of the video. And if we go to the purchased app, as you can see, it's installed successfully. As from this method, I installed Facebook here, which is the require iOS is 13.4, but I don't have the require iOS, that's why I'm using this. If I click on update, as you can see here, okay, so it's showing the updates. Click on download, and then download again, and then the current version is iOS 13, but you can download the last compatible version. Click on download, and it's not downloading because we have the not the latest version of iOS. But if we click on Facebook, we can use it from here. As you can see, it's a tricky method, so must apply for your downgraded iPhone. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.